morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Friday, March 20th. The euro declined 1.51% against the US dollar and closed out 1.0668. In the US, number of people claiming unemployment benefits for the first time rose less than expected to 291.00K in the week ended 14th of March 2015. Market expectations were for initial claims to climb 293.00K. Meanwhile, leading indicator in the nation registered a rise of 0.20% in February, at par with market expectations. The pair is expected to find support at 1.0592, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.0504. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.0789, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.0898. Trading trends in the pair today are expected to be determined by global macroeconomic news. The British pound fell 1.24% against the US dollar and closed out 1.4763, following dovish statement made by the Bank of England chief economist Andrew Haldane that chances of a rate cut by hike by the central bank are broadly evenly balanced. He stated that the policymakers may be forced to cut interest rate to zero in the coming months to tackle the looming risk of deflation. The pair is expected to find support at 1.4661, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.4555. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.4900, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5033. The US dollar strengthened 0.49% against the Japanese yen and closed at 120.82. Earlier this morning, the Bank of Japan minutes from its latest monetary policy meeting suggested that the central bank would continue to ease monetary policy until 2% inflation was achieved. However, few board members opined that the Bank of Japan should not rush to accelerate inflation, as further easing would take yen to a very low level. The pair is expected to find support at 120.29, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 119.79. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 121.16, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 121.54. The Australian dollar weakened 1.42% against the US dollar to close at 0.7653. Earlier today, the Reserve Bank of Australia Governor Glenn Stevens opened that the nation's economy was expected to have a period of sub-average growth as it passes through a major transition. However, the central bank support and a weaker currency would mitigate the impact. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7602, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7531. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7751, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7830. Gold price was traded higher by 0.31% against the US dollar at a level 70.70 per ounce, extending its previous session gains on the back of the Fed statement that the US Central Bank would not raise interest rates in April. Separately, gold holdings in the SPDR Gold Trust expanded to 749.77 tons from its previous level of 747.98 tons. The pair is expected to find support at 1161.53, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1152.56. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1176.53, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1182.56. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market information, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options, and more, covering a wide range of markets, including energy, metals, indices, and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate app, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day.